Hi guys, welcome to week 9 of our YouTube Money Made Easy. Now let me tell you something. YouTube doesn't just pay you through ads. There are multiple ways to monetize your content, and many of them can start even before you hit your 1000 subscribers or your 4000 watch hours. Today we'll be exploring how to make money from your channel before monetization and after monetization. Number one is the usual YouTube AdSense. That one is once you're monetized, once you reach your 4000 watch hour and your, 1000 subscribers. The second one I'll be mentioning is affiliate marketing. Third is brand sponsorship. And fourth, digital products. We're going to be explaining all of this. These are ways to make money on YouTube even before you hit your 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. For affiliate marketing, all you need to do is to place your affiliate marketing link in your description of every of your videos. Just like I'm doing now, if you watch this video, you're going to see my affiliate marketing link in the description of this video and many other of my videos. Another thing is to promote a free lead magnet. You can use email lists to promote a product or services that you offer. If you're offering any services like maybe editing, coaching, writing, or any service at all that you offer, you can use your link, put it in your bio in order to drive traffic to that platform so people can purchase that digital product that you're selling. It could be an ebook or anything that you offer at all. How then do you attract brand deals? Let's say you want to make money from brand deals, influencing and all that. Ensure that you are in a niche that has a buying power. Niches like that are finance niche, tech niche, or educational niche. Take, for example, Fisayo Fusudo, the YouTuber who is into tech content creation. You guys can see many brand deals that he's having every day. I'm sure that he doesn't even have time to create personal videos because most of his videos are brand influenced. So that's another way to start making money on YouTube even before hitting your 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. One thing you have to understand is that your content should be professional and clean. That's one of the ways to attract these brands. Just make professional videos and clean. You don't have to have all of the subscribers yet, but just ensure your videos are clean. You don't have to wait for monetization before you start earning. Start thinking like a creator and an entrepreneur at the same time from the very first day that you start your YouTube channel journey. So, with that being said, I'll give you this as a take home. Choose one income stream and plan a monetization strategy around your next video. That's all you need to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you in week 10. Bye.